Well, welcome back to Allied Critical Metals, a channel positioned to be a near-term, low-cost Portuguese tungsten producer for the EU, US, and Western countries, recently intersecting one of the largest deposits ever that we have to discuss that has kind of propelled the stock and got a lot of investor attention here. We have the privilege of Roy, the CEO, joining us. First and foremost, welcome, sir.
Morning, Kyle. How are you?
Living the dream, and it's a pleasure to get you on the back of what seems to be probably some of the most exciting news in this sector. I mean, break this down for us and maybe just give us the broad view of exactly what you guys have intersected here and why investors are so excited.
Well, we've been starting. This has been the first hole that we got back in terms of the summer drill campaign that we've been undertaking, and we have what we believe. And it's hard to find a comparison, but it looks like it's one of the best intersects ever in Western tungsten mining. So we're very excited about it. To give you a comparison to our deposit, which is I think it's roughly like a 0.23% wolframite grade. This particular hole is roughly above 4.3% over what is it, 12, 14 meters. When right there, that's like maybe 20 times bigger than the average grade that we had. And one section is 40 times over 8%. So it's pretty wild, especially when we look at, I've done a search. I haven't found any intercepts better in tungsten mining reported to date ever.
Yeah, and what's incredible about this too is just kind of based on some of the valuations out there. It looks like you guys are still trading at a relative discount, considering tungsten continues to hit all-time highs here. We're kind of living in this new commodity renaissance. It's quite wild seeing these values ever expand across multitudes of commodities out there. But maybe give us an idea of where we're going from here. I know you guys just it's great having this incredible news, but I guess what's the next step?
Well, we've got, I believe it's 8 more drill holes to report, and at least the visuals on them look very good. So we're very excited to see what they look like. And we'll probably be reporting those throughout September. And you're right in terms of the overall market. Right now, uh, tungsten's trading at about 545 an MTU, which is 40% higher than it was just a few months ago. So it's an exciting time to be doing this, and we're going to move forward with more drilling in September, probably another 5, 6 holes, and then we'll have a resource estimate out probably end of October, PEA. So it's going to be a busy fall filled with a lot of news that we're all excited about.
Yeah, no, this definitely seems like exciting times and lots to look forward to as we pass it off to the viewer. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section, but consider subscribing for news catalysts like this as it comes down the wire. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that, as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.